Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Zodema. So in this video, I will walk you through on how to set up your Brand24 account using the free plan and create your first project to start the monitoring mention of your brand online. Okay. So if you are a business owner, a freelancer, or a digital marketer, this tool will actually help you to track what people are saying about your business or about your brand. All right. So let's get started. So down here, you click on sign up free. So you just input your business email or your email address, then you create a password. All right. Then once you're done, you click on sign up free. But since I already have an account with Brand24, I'll go to login. Then I'll put in my email address. Then my password. Click login. It's taking time to load. All right. So the next thing to do is to enter a keywords or key phrase like the name of your brand or the name of your Facebook page or social channel. So in this video, we'll be using a Coca-Cola and Pepsi, for example. So you input Coca-Cola, then Pepsi. Then once you are done, you click on next. Then the next step is to choose the language which you want your mentions to appear on. All right. So I would select English for that. Then you create the project. You click on create project. Now it's loading the mentions. So you wait for it to load. It's gathering the information and the data. All right. So down here, the blue line over here, it signifies the total mentions of your brand or the brand that you inputted, while the green line signifies the total reach of the brand. Okay, so to see the mentions, you have to scroll down. All right, so you can see Pepsi is being mentioned here. It's also mentioned here. This is Pepsi. Here's Coca-Cola. Here's Coca-Cola. Pepsi. Pepsi. All right. So the next thing to check is the sentiment. So you click over here to know the sentiments. The sentiments are just what people are saying about your brand. It might be negative or positive review about your brand. So you scroll down to know. So to see the negative review, you have to click on negative. You can see this is a negative review. Then to see the positive, you click on positive. These are positive reviews. All right. So the next step is the summary section, which is here. This is the summary section. So what the summary section does is to kind of give you a quick overview your project and key metrics of how it shows. Let's say like the total mentions, the estimated social media reach, the sentiment breakdown, negative and neutral, and all that. All right. So you can see here the summary. You can see like 32,000 mentions, that is 32K. Then you can see 575 million reach. You can see 10 million interaction. Then the positive is about 6,372. While negative is about 4,547. So down here, I think the positive is actually nice, but if you have this kind of negative, it's better you work on it to correct it. All right. So that is it. Then under the analysis section, which is here, analysis. What this does is to kind of show you or interpret or make you to understand the data collected, all right, from online mentions or from kind of a brand competitors, all right, or a specific keywords. Okay, so this shows after you must have created a project and Brand24 has gathered mentions across the internet and social channels. All right, these are all the data that the Brand24 has collected from social channels or internet or news sites. All right, so then the next one is the sources section. These sources can be the social channels or the blogs or the websites which your brand is being mentioned, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the rest of it, or YouTube, okay, or TikTok, then LinkedIn. Okay, so down here you can see how many times your brand has been mentioned on, or the brand or the keywords you inputted has been mentioned on YouTube. This is 3,660 mentions. Okay, this is 14 mentions. So you can just go over this and check it. On TikTok, we have 1,048 mentions. All right. So the next step to check is the influencers. That is the top people or the top page or the top brands mentioning your products or your brand. All right, or your keywords. So you go on influencers, which is here, and click on it. Okay. So down here, you see the influencer's profile name, their source, and the mentions. Okay. So here is the names, here is the source, here is the mention, here is the total reach, here is their total followers, the share of voice, and all that. Okay. This is on Twitter, this is on TikTok. You can also click on show more to see more influencers. All right. So you can see this is how to set up your first project on Brand24 to monitor your brand and know exactly what people are saying about your brand. Okay. So, and in the next video, I will show you how to use the AI tools to kind of analyze competitors' activities and get actionable recommendation. All right. So don't forget to like this video, click on the notification button, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or you have any section you want me to cover, just comment it on the comment section. All right. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.